2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're gonna replace the belt tensioner. This is a fairly easy job to do, but I'm gonna show you guys the steps on what you need to do. All right, first step is this is your belt tensioner right here. So this is what it looks like. So you need this tool to put here so we can remove the tension in that belt. Okay, right there. Then we're gonna turn it clockwise. Then you can slide the belt off. You don't have to remove the belt all the way out. Just slide it right here. All right. We're gonna put it aside like that. Never mind. Anyway, now this one has one bolt holding it, which the bolt's gonna be right here, and this one is a, I believe, T40. Yep, this is a T40. Sorry about the sloppy video. I'm trying to do this with one hand. T40 is gonna be right here. Let's try it again. Gonna set the phone down right here. There we go. Yeah, it's only held by one bolt. All right. And then we're gonna compare these two. This one came from AutoZone for 50 bucks, but you can buy it a lot cheaper online, Amazon maybe. Right, they look about the same. The reason why we're replacing this is the bearing is seized up in this, causing a lot of noise. Alright, so now we're gonna put the new one in. When you put the new one in, you see those two holes? Make sure that they align right here. You can't really put it the wrong way. Alright, should have turned on the light on my phone earlier. Yeah, we got the bolt in there, nice and tight, not too tight. Now we are gonna put the belt back on. This is why I said you don't have to remove the belt all the way out. Makes it easier for you to put the belt back on. And we gotta crawl underneath. Alright. Make sure it's aligned with the crank. Slide the belt on the belt pulley tensioner. I'm trying my best to get a better angle of this. Alright, I'll set the phone here. So now we're gonna turn it clockwise. Okay. As we turn it clockwise, you can slide the belt to the idler pulley. That's it. Double check everything, make sure that the belt is sitting properly. Check at the bottom too, make sure that the crank. Alright. Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, that's how you replace the belt tensioner on a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 4.0 liter. Thank you for watching.